Hey, this is Johnny Rowlett from Full Time Freedom Tour, and today I'm really excited to have a bunch of fun gifts and gizmos from InnovationTire.com. Stay tuned, this is going to be fun. Okay, so they have a couple of different weather stations. So this is the TireMinder Comfort Station. The TireMinder Comfort Station. It's just a very simple, one-piece interface. It's kind of a close-up view of this one. It is simple, small, put it anywhere. In your coach, you just access it really quickly, easily, maybe next to your TV. If you look below the description, I'll have a link to this and the price and with your discount on that as well. So then obviously there's the Big Daddy right here, and I'm really excited about this because this also has an alarm clock on it, a set timer, all kinds of stuff. It's got current pressure, your humidity, your forecast, weather trends, temperature trends, just all kinds of even the full moon, what phase moon we're in, just some really exciting things. And it has a remote transmitter. You could put this outside, you could put this in the front. It's a great tandem effort here, and we've been looking for something like this for quite some time. And below will be your link to it. It'll be the prices and your discount code for this as well. The new TireMinder tire pressure checker. Let's check this out. We'll package it. First of all, I just want you to notice how big it is. Almost the length of my forearm. And it feels super heavy duty. Oh, hey, watch it. Obviously, this will be more for your auto, your vehicle, like your tow car. And this would be for the actual coach, heavy duty coach. Tire pressure checker has for your inside duals right here, and just regular straightforward. One of the things they were saying about this, that he was saying about, is the accuracy of this thing is incredible. It comes with a little bag as that it fits in. Okay, it needs 2 AA batteries. They are provided. Boom, 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 boom. Very easy. It has the complete readable. I love the big PSI when you have to wear glasses this big. You get the big readable PSI. Of course, it comes with all your instructions. Here's the thing. It's accurate up to 1 PSI. What's really cool about this is that it's about $50, and there is a discount for this as well. However, I'm going to show you one more gift, one more gizmo for RVs. And if you get any of the new TireMinder TPMS from us, from me, from our channel, not only do you get the discount code, but we will give you this for free. This you'll receive as a package deal. And boom! I already showed you in a previous video, I put the tag right here, the new i10 system. If you get that, that's a pretty inexpensive system. It's a system that we currently use. If you use that system, even that, you still get the tire gauge for free. We just made that deal with InnovationTire.com. Listen, let me unpackage this. The A1As is what this is called. Look at this bad boy right here. One of the things that's so amazing about this is that not only does it have its own large display, look at that, large display, like its own computer system, it also projects to an app. And in the app, you can actually say your wife has her computer or her iPad out or her cell phone, she can also, it's simultaneously streaming the tire pressures, the tire temperatures, all the way even to the app. So this is a big giant color display, and what I like about it is that you're able to get all of the tires, not only on your coach, but on your tow rig at the same time. So I'm really excited about this, and it's just a real high-end, high-level system right here from TireMinder. Let's open up the bottom. So then you just pull this out, and some of your actual tire modules, brass fitted monitors. Look at that. So as you open this up, you got a nice little pouch here that keeps all your extra batteries and your extra wires, all kinds of just little things that you might need, brackets and braces and magnets, extra magnets for you to be able to put it into your window. This is a high-end, high-level bracket attachment for it. Obviously, you suction this up to your window. It sticks out quite a ways. The magnet goes on the end of here, and guess what? It's already magnetized. You can hold on to that, and you turn it any way that you want to turn it, and it's going to be able to be within pretty good eye shot. Here's the key to this. Even though this is really awesome and really important to be able to see that stuff anytime you want, it's more about the monitoring. You don't want to keep your eyes on this. It makes it easy for me, especially with my eyes, to be able to locate it quickly and to see, do a quick check. I just like to check on things. But what I like about it is that it's also has alarms. So if you're going, you set your degrees, you set your PSI, and if it falls below a certain level, it'll start beeping at you, flashing at you. Trust me, it'll warn you in plenty of time. And then obviously you pull over to the side of the road and as quickly and safely as you can and deal with the issue. It also, this particular unit comes with a booster. It doesn't work without the booster, and if you think about it, it's so much better with the booster. Especially our rig is 45 foot long, plus we have a tow car behind that. So this booster is going to be able to allow it to pick up the tow car, and obviously your rear wheels, your duals, your inside duals. And this is a heavy dude. You can feel this whole thing is not light. It just feels heavy duty. It feels quality, very quality stuff. Then obviously you got your power module. It's kind of cool. You can either do it regular if you've got a regular inverter plug-in, or look at that, pretty neat, pretty liking it. Let's pull that little sticker right off there. TireMinder. The thing with TireMinder is they have really stepped up their game. I really appreciate, I was talking to one gentleman, a friend of mine that has another channel, and he was like, I don't know, I like this other company. They have much better quality products. And I said, yes, but have you seen the new i10? And have you seen the new A1A? Yeah, this thing's amazing. This takes it to a whole nother level. I think there's nothing like it on the market today. TireMinder has really stepped up their game. I really appreciate them. I really appreciate Innovation Tire working with Full-Time Freedom Tour. Next step is to install all these, and we'll videotape. Okay, so just reading the directions exactly. All we do now is, if you notice, we are in the monitoring mode. In order to get any feedback, you have to be in the monitoring mode. In order to train these or learn these, you have to hold down these two buttons for 5 seconds, and it'll say PSI and learn right there. So then I have already installed all the batteries in all 12 of these. So I'm going to take the very first one, and you see, it's kind of hard to see in the light here, but it's showing, in essence, my driver's side front tire right there is flashing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take monitor with the battery already installed and just hook it up there and let it rip right there. PSI learning, and there it goes. It says 94. So the next one, so then I flash over and it'll show me. So the in essence, the passenger side front tire will be next. Okay, so now here we're at the passenger side front tire. I'll just take the next already battery inside monitor, find the valve stem, and it's looking for that one. Is flashing right now. Just spin it on. And I already hear it beeping. As soon as you hear it beeping, 92 pounds of PSI. Now, we've been sitting here for a week and these tires are cold, so that's not a bad temperature right there. I mean, not a bad PSI right there. Also, while we're sitting here, I got the new, you notice that we did the unpacking of the temp minder from TireMinder. And so what I like to do is not have this directly in the sun. I just set this right here, actually between here. There's probably 1,000 other better places for it, but just while we were here camping, I put it here and it's reading inside. So I get an inside temperature and an outside temperature, 75.9 beautiful Michigan degrees right here. 46% humidity as well. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is flash this over. So 92, 94, we'll flash this over, and it's telling me to do the outside tire and the rear, which would be driver's side, outside, rear tire. I'm gonna go do that right now. I won't show you all these, but in essence, you just go through them just like that. One of the things that I really love about TireMinder is that you're able to, even on a coach as large as ours, 45 foot, we can also pick up our tow car. The way that they do this is they have in essence, an antenna that sits back and is plugged directly into the battery. I'll put a link up here from our last video where I already installed that. So now it can reach not only the 45 foot, but the extra, we flat tow this Jeep, so it reach the extra, you know, 10, 15 feet behind there, and send all that information directly to this, which will be up at the front desk, front desk, come on, front desk, the cockpit. So anyhow, now I'm going to install these 4 onto this. As you can see, what I've done is I've shifted this down. That was my last tire. So all tires are now set up on the rig, the actual coach, and I'm going to shift down. And what I like about this is you get to see all tires on one screen. So I'm just going to do so it's telling me to do on my tow car, to do the driver's side front. So we're just going to do that right here on this tire. And there goes 37 PSI on the Jeep. And then I'm gonna flash it, and obviously I don't have an inside tire, I don't have another passenger side inside tire, so then it flashes over to the driver side front tire. So you can see you could have an 18, this could be used for 18 wheelers, it could be used for all kinds of different setups. There's a lot more tires available. On this rig I have 12, including my tow car. Just repeat these steps until you get all the tires monitored. I don't have any inside there, no side there, no side there. You could be hauling a big trailer, I suppose. And there's the outside, the rear drivers. .37 PSI, move it over to the passenger side rear, and we're done. Easy, quick setup. Like I said, this is TireMinder's high level, high end system, great system. I tested out the i10, and I think for most RVers at the price range, I think that's probably just as good. This one is a real high level, and if you like high level stuff, I think you'll like TireMinder's new system. Love it. One of the things that I love most about this TireMinder system is that not only does it tell you and create a monitor for what PSI you're running, it kind of gives you a baseline. So after you get through all of the learning period, get back to the monitoring screen and then hold the middle button until it goes to baseline. And baseline, what I'm doing is I'm going through each tire and setting up a baseline PSI of what it should be cold. So then that is able to tell it, to give it the range of how much, like, if you're getting too, if your tire's inflating too much or deflating too much or getting too hot. It also can toggle between not only the current PSI baseline, but the Fahrenheit baseline, or you can actually change it to Celsius for those of you that use that. So in essence, what I'm telling it right here is that my baseline, it says 92. I'd rather it be 94 like the rest of the tires. So I'm gonna bump it up to 94 like that. And that gives me my baseline PSI. So on this one, you can see that that's at 91. I'm gonna also raise that up to 94. I'm gonna down 94. And then I'm gonna toggle to the next one. I'm gonna set them all at a baseline of 94, which is about what they should be cold. Some people disagree. There's all kinds of disagreements and conversations about what your PSI should be. I find that this is what I like them to be cold. So you're able to check the Fahrenheit when you see the F flashing, and you can toggle between the tires themselves. So it's telling you the degrees between each one as your baseline. And once you go through all of the PSI and the temperature, then you just hold this button for 5 seconds and it goes back to monitoring. And now you are completely set up and able to have this reading going down the road in your coach, your rig, and your flat tow or tow behind rig. I hope this video has helped you at least be able to see which version of the TireMinder you want. Obviously, there are a lot of TPMS systems out there. What I just happen to love the simplicity and the ease of use and just the big screen and all the different options that this particular TPMS TireMinder uses. We're excited to announce that we have partnered with TireMinder. They've become an official sponsor of us, and therefore what they've done is they've given us a couple offers that we can offer you, and that is a pretty huge discount of the it's already discounted. These are already at our price, are already less than you can find at any store, any retail store. It's already discounted to wholesale discount. Plus, anyone who uses the code below gets $25 more off. Plus, on top of that, they will send you a free tire gauge, TireMinder tire gauge. And whole product, you should, hold it straight up where you can read it. I hope that you guys, we're enjoying it. We're grateful for it, and we're grateful for our friends at TireMinder, and thankful that they chose us to partner with them, because this is products that we actually already used. And so TireMinder reached out to us, and we're more than grateful to stand behind this great product. Hope that you give it a look at least. God bless y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.